Hence, you'll be updated on health tips, recipes, and wellness inspiration. I appreciate your support. Sign 1. Fatigue and weakness. Persistent fatigue and weakness can be early indicators of kidney failure. The kidneys are vital in filtering waste and maintaining overall health. When kidney function declines, toxins build up, decreasing energy levels. Many people mistakenly attribute these symptoms to general tiredness or stress, but paying attention is essential. If you feel unusually fatigued, consider monitoring your energy levels closely, and don't hesitate to seek medical advice if you're concerned. Your health matters. Sign 2. Changes in urine patterns can significantly indicate kidney issues. Pay attention to the frequency, color, and consistency of your urine. For instance, increased frequency or dark-colored urine may signal a problem. These changes are often easily overlooked in our busy lives, but can provide crucial insights into kidney health. Keeping track of your urination habits and noting any unusual patterns is essential. If you notice anything concerning, don't hesitate to consult a healthcare professional for further evaluation. Sign 3. Swelling in extremities. Swelling in the legs, ankles, or feet can indicate fluid retention due to kidney failure. When the kidneys aren't functioning correctly, they struggle to remove excess fluid and waste from the body, leading to swelling. This symptom can often be mistaken for heart issues or standing too long. It's crucial to pay attention to any unusual swelling you experience. If you notice persistent or unexplained swelling, consult a healthcare professional to rule out any underlying issues. Your health is essential. Sign 4. Shortness of breath. Shortness of breath can be a concerning symptom, and in the context of kidney failure, it often results from fluid buildup in the lungs. When kidneys are not functioning properly, excess fluid can accumulate, leading to respiratory difficulties. This symptom is frequently misattributed to other respiratory issues, such as asthma or anxiety. However, seeking immediate medical attention is crucial if you experience severe shortness of breath. Recognizing the connection between kidney function and respiratory health can be vital for timely intervention. Your well-being matters. Sign 5. Nausea and vomiting. Nausea and vomiting can be alarming symptoms and may indicate kidney failure, often dismissed as stomach issues. When kidney function is impaired, toxins build up, leading to gastrointestinal distress. These symptoms are frequently confused with common gastrointestinal problems, making it easy to overlook their significance. If you experience persistent nausea or vomiting, paying attention and consulting a doctor is essential. These signs can be crucial for addressing potential kidney issues and prioritizing your health. Sign 6. Metallic taste in mouth. A metallic taste in the mouth can be an unusual yet significant symptom of kidney failure, often resulting from the buildup of waste products in the body. As kidney function declines, the accumulation of toxins can alter your sense of taste, leading to this unpleasant sensation. Many may overlook this symptom, attributing it to dietary changes or food preferences. However, if you experience a persistent metallic taste, it's essential to consider it seriously and consult a healthcare professional for further evaluation. Your health is vital. Sign 7. High blood pressure. High blood pressure, or hypertension, is closely linked to kidney function and can be a sign of kidney failure. The kidneys regulate blood pressure by managing fluid balance and producing hormones. When kidney function declines, it can lead to increased blood pressure due to fluid retention and hormonal imbalances. Regular blood pressure monitoring is essential for early detection of potential issues. If you notice elevated blood pressure readings, don't hesitate to seek medical advice to address any underlying concerns. Your health is a priority.